Good morning, students. How are you? Hope you all are fine at home. So, students, this is your maths class. In the previous class, we had started the topic quadrilateral. Today, we will revise that topic in brief. After that, we will do the next topic. So, be ready, students. Okay, take out your maths book, your pencil, your eraser. Be ready with your things. So, now, first of all, I will explain you that topic which we had done on that day. Right? What is quadrilateral? Any closed figure which has four sides is called a quadrilateral. You see square, rectangle, right? Kite, trapezium. These all have four sides. So, any four-sided figure is called quadrilateral. Is it clear to all of you? On that day, we had done types of quadrilateral. We had done two types. One is trapezium and the second one is parallelogram. Right, students? So today we will revise once again. So see, students, on that day I told you that we can make the shapes with the help of cutout. Right? This is a square. Right? In the square, all the sides are equal. Right, students? If I fold this paper like this, now this is the shape of rectangle. Very good. This is the shape of rectangle. Now we can make trapezium with the help of this rectangle. Right? How? See, students, I am going to take this corner, right, and I will fold it like this. See, I will turn it now. So now you can see this is the shape of trapezium. This is the shape of trapezium. Now what are the properties of trapezium? Can you tell me? Yes. Very good. Right, beta. The properties of trapezium are that one pair of parallel lines and one pair of non-parallel lines. Means this line is parallel to this line, but this line is non-parallel to this line. Right, students? And one thing more, this line and this line, these are parallel lines, but their length is not the same. Length is not same. You can see the length of this line and the length of this line. They are not the same length. Okay? Is it clear? What are the properties of trapezium? One pair of parallel lines, one pair of non-parallel lines. Right? Okay. Now the next we had done parallelogram. With the help of this cutout, we can make parallelogram. You can see this is trapezium. Now I will turn it like this. Now we will take this corner and fold it like this, right? So now this is parallelogram. This is parallelogram. What are the properties of parallelogram? Opposite sides are parallel. Means this side is parallel to this side. This side is parallel to this side. So the opposite sides are parallel. Is it clear? Now it is clear trapezium and parallelogram. Yes or no? Yes. So students, today we will do rhombus, right? So we will make rhombus with the help of cutout. So students, you can see I have this cutout, right? It is of square shape, right? Now I will fold it like this. You can see I have folded it. See, you can see. Now I will open it. You can see the line between it. Now I will take this corner and fold it like this, right? I will take this corner and fold it like this. Now this is the shape of a kite. This is the shape of a kite. Now what will we do? We will turn it like this. See? Now take this corner and fold it like this. Take this corner and fold it like this. Okay? Now this is the shape of a rhombus. This is the shape of a rhombus. In the rhombus, all the sides are equal. All the sides means four sides are equal in length. Okay? And opposite angles are equal. Opposite means this angle is equal to this angle. This angle is opposite to this angle. Right, students? So this is the rhombus. All the sides are equal. So I will show you the examples of rhombus. You can see this is earrings and this is mirror image. The shape of these earrings are of rhombus. You can see all the sides are equal. All the sides are equal and opposite angles are equal. I hope you understand it. Yes, you can make the cutouts and you will enjoy it. Okay, you will do this activity at home. You will enjoy this to make the shapes. Okay, take cutouts and make these shapes at home. Okay, beta. So now, do you know? The thing is now all the sides of square are equal in length. As I told you that square has four sides, right? And all the sides are equal. All the sides are equal. And now I told you that rhombus has four sides and all the sides are equal. So now what is the difference between them? What is the difference between square and rhombus? Yes, I will tell you, students. This is a square. All the sides are equal and all the angles are also equal. In this square, these four sides and the four angles are equal. But in the rhombus, you can see sides are equal, but only opposite angles are equal. Not all the angles are equal, only opposite angles are equal. So this is the difference between square and the rhombus. Right? What is the difference? That square has equal sides, but rhombus has also equal sides. Square and rhombus has four sides and four sides are equal. But in the square, all the angles are equal, but in rhombus, only opposite angles are equal. Right, students? I hope you understand it. Yes. Next. Now, difference between parallelogram and rhombus. Rhombus is a quadrilateral with all its four sides are equal, right? All the sides are equal as I told you. But in the parallelogram, I told you that opposite sides are equal. Means this side is equal to this side is equal to this side. Means opposite sides are equal, but in rhombus, all the sides are equal. You can see both. All the sides are equal in rhombus and opposite sides are equal in parallelogram. Right, students? Hope you understand it. Okay. Now, students, take out your book, page number 42. So, take out page number 42. Yes. Have you taken out? Okay. Taken out the page 42. So students, the part A we have identify the parallelograms and tick them, right? Now what are the properties of parallelogram? That opposite sides are parallel. Opposite sides are parallel, right? And you can see the first figure, see this line is parallel to this line, right? And this line is parallel to this line. So this is a parallelogram. So we will click on it, right? Now see the second figure. You can see this line is parallel to this line, but this line is not parallel to this line. So it is not a parallelogram. Now see the third. This line is parallel to this line, right? And this line is parallel to this line. So this is the parallelogram. We will tick on it. Now you can see the fourth. This line is not parallel to this, and this is also not parallel to this line. So this is not the parallelogram. And see this figure, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. This is 5-sided figure, so it is not a quadrilateral. Right, students? So now you can see B part. Identify the trapeziums and tick them. What we had done in trapezium, what are the properties? That one pair of opposite sides are, and one pair is of parallel sides, and one pair is of non-parallel sides, right? In the trapezium we have done this, that one pair is of parallel lines, right? See, you can see this is a trapezium, and this line is parallel to this, but this is non-parallel to this, right? So you can see in the first that this line is parallel to this line, but this line is not parallel to this line. So it is a trapezium, right? So we will tick on it, right, students? Now you can see this line is parallel to this, right? You can see this line is parallel to this line, and this line is parallel to this line. So it is not the trapezium, because the property of trapezium is that only one pair is of parallel lines. So it is not the trapezium. Now this is rectangle. This is not the trapezium. See this. This line is parallel to this line, but this line is non-parallel to this line. So it is the trapezium. Right, students? So now C part we have identify the rhombuses and tick them. What we have studied in rhombus, that all the sides are equal. All the sides are equal. Like square, it has all the sides, and all the sides, it has 4 sides. Like the square, it has 4 sides, and all the sides are equal. But what is the difference between square and rhombus? Tell me. Yes. Very good. Square has all the angles, and all the angles are, square has 4 angles. All the angles are equal. Yes, but in rhombus only opposite angles are equal. So in this part you can see this is a rhombus, all the sides are equal. This is rhombus, all the sides are equal, right? But this is a square, so it is not the rhombus, because in the square we study all the angles are equal. And this is a rectangle. Rectangle, as I told you, in the rhombus all the sides are equal, but you can see this side is equal to this, and this side is equal to this, right? So these both are not the rhombus. Okay, students? Now, fourth part we have identify the quadrilateral. What is quadrilaterals? A four-sided shape is called quadrilateral, right? So you can see in the first part, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is four-sided shape. So this is a quadrilateral. Tick on it. So this is circle, not a quadrilateral. Now see this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is five-sided figure. And it is not a quadrilateral because quadrilateral has four sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is a quadrilateral. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is not a quadrilateral. So students, I hope you understand the topic, right? Now you can find the difference between rhombus and square, right? You know what are quadrilaterals, what are the examples of quadrilaterals, what are the types of quadrilaterals. I hope you understand this topic. Right, students? Is it clear to all of you? And you will make the cutouts of these shapes at home. You will enjoy the activity. Okay? Okay, students? Do this activity at home also. Now, take out your diaries. Write down the homework. Revise page number 42. Write down the homework. Have you written? Write down. So today you will revise page number 42 which we had done in the class. You will revise it at home, okay? And make this cutout also, okay? You will enjoy and you will learn how to make the cutouts of the shapes. Right, students? Okay, students, bye. Have a nice day.